My dear students, good morning. How are you? I hope that you all are keeping well by God's grace. Today we will discuss prefix. Here pre means before and fix means join. That means join before. That is a prefix is a letter or a group of letters or a syllable or a word added at the beginning of a root word, and it changes the meaning of the root word or stem word. Now I am giving you the prefixes one by one. Please listen to me with attention. Number one, a. Example, a bed. That means in the bed. Ashore. That means on the shore. Number two, ab. Ab. Ab means not. Normal, abnormal. Use, abuse. Number three, anti. A-N-T. Anti means before. Chamber, anti-chamber. Room, anti-room. Number four, A-N-T-I-N-T. A-N-T-I-N-T. Anti means against or not. Example, aircraft, anti-aircraft. Climax, anti-climax. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Indian, anti-Indian. Septic, antiseptic. Social, antisocial. Next, number five, arts. A-R-C-I is arts. Arts means chief. C-I-E-F, chief or head. Bishop, archbishop. Enemy, arch enemy. Next, number six, auto. A-U-T-O, auto. Auto means self. Biography, autobiography. Graph, autograph. Rickshaw, auto rickshaw. Next, number seven, B-I, buy. Buy means two or twice. That means two. T-W, two. Two or twice. T-W-I-C, twice. Cycle, bicycle. Focal, bifocal. Lateral, bilateral. Lingual, bilingual. Nominal, binominal. Weekly, bi-weekly. Next, number eight, co. C-O, co means with. W-I-T-A is with. Education, co-education. Exist, coexist. Operate, cooperate. Pilot, co-pilot. Next, number nine, counter. Counter means against. Counter means against. A-G-A-I-N-S-T, against. Attack, counter attack. Foil, counter foil. Part, counterpart. Revolution, counter revolution. Next, number 10, D-D. D means reversal. R-E-V-E-R-S-L, reversal or to do the opposite. Reversal or to do the opposite. Example, camp, decamp. Code, decode. Frost, defrost. Merit, demerit. Mobilize, demobilize. Nationalize, denationalize. Throne, dethrone. Train, detrain. The spelling is D-E-D. Next, number 11, dis. D-I-S, dis. Dis means away from or not. Away from or not. Advantage, disadvantage. Agree, disagree. Appear, disappear. Comfort, discomfort. Connect, disconnect. Like, dislike. Please, displease. Next, number 12, ENN. EN. Here it means to do. Here it means to do. Or on and in. Here in means to do or on or in. Examples: act, enact, case, encase, circle, encircle, close, disclose, courage, encourage, danger, endanger, dear, endear, force, enforce, large, enlarge, lighten, enlighten, list, enlist, reach, R-I-C-H, reach, enrich, roll, enroll, sure, ensure, trap, entrap, trust, entrust. Next, number 13, EXX. X means former. X means former. F-O-R-M-E-R, former. Minister, ex-minister. Principal, ex-principal. Secretary, ex-secretary. Student, ex-student. Teacher, ex-teacher. Next, number 14, extra. Extra means beyond. Extra means beyond. Labor, extra labor. Ordinary, extraordinary. Next, 15, F-O-R-E, for. Here for means before. Here for means before. Father, for father. Head, for head. Sea, for sea. Cast, for cast. Next, 16, homo. Homo means like. Homo means like. Genus, homogeneous. Next, 17, ILL. Ill means not or opposite. ILL. Ill means not or opposite. Legal, illegal. Legible, illegible. Liberal, illiberal. Illicit, licit, illicit. Literate, illiterate, etc. Next, number 18, I am in. Im means not or opposite. Material, immaterial. Mature, immature. Memorial, immemorial. Modest, immodest. Moral, immoral. Mortal, immortal. Movable, immovable. Partial, impartial. Patient, impatient. Personal, impersonal. Pious, impious. Possible, impossible. Practical, impractical. Probable, improbable. Proper, improper. Pure, impure. And next, number 19, in. In is a prefix. In means not or opposite. In means not or opposite. Ability, inability. Active, inactive. Adequate, inadequate. Attentive, inattentive. Audible, inaudible. Auspicious, inauspicious. Capable, incapable. Complete, incomplete. Correct, incorrect. Credible, incredible. Decent, indecent. Decision, indecision. Discipline, indiscipline. Experience, inexperience. Finite, infinite, human, inhuman, justice, injustice, operative, inoperative, sensible, insensible, edible, inedible, effective, ineffective, efficient, inefficient, eligible, ineligible, equality, inequality, separable, inseparable, significant, insignificant, sincere, insincere, stability, instability, sufficient, insufficient, valid, invalid, visible, invisible. In these words, in is a prefix and in is added at the beginning of the words. Now, number 20. Inter. Inter means within. Change, interchange. School, inter-school. National, international. State, interstate. Next, 21. Ir, ir. Ir, ir. Ir means not or opposite. Ir means not or opposite. Rational, irrational. Regular, irregular. Repairable, irreparable. Relevant, irrelevant. Religious, irreligious. Responsible, irresponsible. Next, number 22. Mal, mal, mal. Mal means not or ill. Mal, mal. Mal is a prefix and here mal means ill, ill, ill or not, not, not. Examples: nutrition, malnutrition. Practice, malpractice. Next, 23. Mis, miss. Miss means less or bad. Appropriate, misappropriate. Behave, misbehave. Calculation, miscalculation. Did, misdeed. Direct, misdirect. Fire, misfire. Feed, misfeed. Fortune, misfortune. Guide, misguide. Judge, misjudge. Leading, misleading. Manage, mismanage. Rule, misrule. Understand, misunderstand. Use, misuse. Next, 24. Mono, M-O-N-O, mono. Mono means single or one. M-O-N-O, mono. Mono is a prefix and here mono means single or one. Now examples: log, monologue. Syllable, monosyllable. Saccharide, monosaccharide. Next, 25. N-O-N, non. Here non means not. Non means not or opposite. Aggression, non-aggression. Conductor, non-conductor. Entity, non-entity. Issue, non-issue. Resident, non-resident. Sense, nonsense. Stop, non-stop. And violence, non-violence. Next, 26. Pan, P-A-N, pan. Pan means all. Pan means all. American, Pan-American. Theism, pantheism. Next, 27. Post. Here post means after. Post is a prefix. Now examples: dated, post dated. Graduate, post graduate. Mortem, post mortem. War, post war. Next, 28. Pre, P-R-E, pre. Pre means before. Fix, prefix. Arrange, prearrange. Face, preface. Historic, prehistoric. Mature, premature. Test, pretest. War, pre-war. Here, P-R-E, pre is a prefix. Next, 29. R-E, re means again. Here re means again. adjust, readjust, birth, rebirth, build, rebuild, call, recall, cast, recast, collect, recollect, consider, reconsider, examine, re-examine, feel, F-I-L-L, feel, refill, join, rejoin, new, renew, open, reopen, organize, reorganize, produce, reproduce, write, rewrite. Next 30, retro, R-E-T-R-O, retro. Retro means backward. Retro means backward. Spect, retrospect. Grade, rectograde. Next 31, semi, A-C-M-I, semi. Semi is a prefix and here semi means half. A-C-L-F, half. Circle, semicircle. Colon, semicolon. Final, semi-final. Official, semi-official. Next 32, sub, S-U-B, sub. Sub means under. Sub means under. Here sub is a prefix and sub means under. Committee, subcommittee. Conscious, subconscious. Deputy, sub-deputy. Editor, sub-editor. Marine, submarine. Way, subway. And soil, subsoil. Next 33, super. S-U-P-E-R, super. Super means above. Super means above. Fine, superfine. Man, superman. Market, supermarket. Natural, supernatural. Structure, superstructure. Next 34, trans. T-R-A-N-S. Trans is a prefix and here trans means across. Action, transaction. Atlantic, transatlantic. Siberian, trans-Siberian. Form, transform. Plant, transplant. Next 35, ultra. U-L-T-R-A, ultra. Ultra is a prefix and here ultra means beyond. Left, ultra left. Modern, ultra modern. Sonic, ultrasonic. Violet, ultraviolet. Next, un. Un means not. Here un is a prefix and here un means not or opposite. Able, unable. Affected, unaffected. Avoidable, unavoidable. Beaten, B-E-A-T-N, unbeaten. Broken, unbroken. Button, unbuttoned. Certain, uncertain. Civilized, uncivilized. Claimed, unclaimed. Common, uncommon. Conditional, unconditional. Connected, unconnected. Conscious, unconscious. Desirable, undesirable. Developed, undeveloped. Divided, undivided. Dress, undress. Easy, uneasy. Educated, uneducated. Fit, unfit. Happy, unhappy. Kind, unkind. Known, unknown. Lawful, unlawful. Likely, unlikely. Limited, unlimited. Load, unload. Lock, unlock. Lucky, unlucky. Married, unmarried. Natural, unnatural. Necessary, unnecessary. Official, unofficial. Planned, unplanned. Pleasant, unpleasant. Selfish, unselfish. Official, unofficial. Suitable, unsuitable. Timely, untimely. Trained, untrained. Wanted, unwanted. Willing, unwilling. Wise, unwise. Next 37, vice. V-I-C-E, vice. Vice means in the place of or deputy or assistant. V-I-C-E, vice. Vice is a prefix and here it means in the place of or deputy or assistant. President, vice president. Principal, vice principal. And These are the main prefixes, and there are more than these prefixes in English language. In English grammar, there are more prefixes in English grammar than these. As I have told you earlier, you have to practice again and again. Practice makes a man perfect. So now I am requesting you, practice these prefixes from your test papers or question banks, and then you will be a perfect man. Okay? May God bless you.